How to create your own channel in your team's community. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be guiding you through the exact steps on how you can create a channel in your community. So in order to start, the first thing that we're gonna do is launch your Microsoft Teams, and once you're inside the Microsoft Teams interface, you're gonna click onto this communities tab over the left hand side. Once you're gonna do this, it will show all of your communities. So for example, let's say I have this YouTube community right here. Now within this community, I can choose to start my own channel, which I can do so by clicking onto this add channel link right here just below the community. So I'm going to click onto add channel, and here it says create a channel in YouTube. So this does not mean the actual YouTube, it is referring to this particular community whose name is YouTube. Now from here I can simply give it a name. So for example, let's name it general discussions. And then I can also choose to specify a particular emoji as well. And once I'm done with this, I can click onto this add button and just wait for the process to get finished. And once this process successfully gets finished, you can see that a channel within this YouTube community has been successfully created that goes by the name General Discussions. So that's how easily you can create a particular channel or start your own channel within a particular community. So that's how easy it is. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.